Hey, what are you doing for Valentine's Day? Valentine's Day, isn't that just an excuse for companies to sell gift cards and flowers at overinflated prices? No, it's a celebration of being a fab, fierce female. If anything, it's an excuse to treat yourself. True. Well, just think of whatever things you love doing. Well, I love cleaning, I love organizing, and I love having a neat house. Yeah, but you've got to get something for yourself as well. You can't just get something because you need it. I know what I'm getting myself. A new necklace from Luisa. I'm getting it at 40% off. Well, how about we get the best of both worlds? It's said that when you pick a present for someone, you should get them something they need, something they want, and something to do. Something I want. Well, the new necklace. Something I need. Well, I love going to Ikea, and I do need some things from there. Sounds like we need a trip to Ikea. Say no more! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me for another video. Today's video we have got a Valentine's Day spectacular. If you don't know, I am single, so I am wholly and solely responsible for buying my own Valentine's Day presents, which is kind of cool because I get exactly what I want. Now before we jump into this video, I just wanted to quickly share that Luisa, which is where I got these beautiful pearl mini hoop drop earrings that I wear in my videos all the time, are having a Valentine's Day sale where it is buy one get one 40% off. Now the Valentine's sale is only running from the 13th to the 15th of February, which means it's the last day or the second last day depending on where you're watching in the world when this video goes live. But stay tuned because I have a very special little surprise that I picked up in the sale to share with you guys. I will leave a link in the description box so you can go and check out some of their beautiful pieces, which are such high quality. And honestly, they're really affordable. They have got pieces ranging from $39 all the way through to the higher end pieces in their fine jewelry collection. They are a company that also have great environmental values. They are 100% carbon neutral. They have sustainable packaging. And if you're in Australia, they have 3 days international shipping, which is pretty much unheard of. So, picked myself up a little something, a little necklace, because I think, like looking at this outfit, don't you think that just a necklace would just finish it off? And since it was buy one get one 40% off, I bought one for me and I bought one for you too. So I am going to be having a little Valentine's Day giveaway. If you want to enter, I will leave all the details at the end of this video. But for now, let's get into the video and find out what I picked up for myself for Valentine's Day. Alright, we're going to have to come down a little bit so that I can show you what I got. So the first thing that I picked up was this little cute loungewear set with these little fleece shorts and a little cropped jumper because the weather is finally starting to cool off, and just to have something real cute but put together to wear around the house, or if I have to go downstairs, pick up a package, take Freddie out for a little quick walk around the block. This is something super cute and comfy to be able to hang around the house but still look a little bit put together, and it's still cute enough to be able to wear out if I need to leave the house. This is Everlast brand and I picked it up from Kmart. The next few things, oh, I matched the bag. The next few things I picked up from Mecca Maxima, which is like an Australian version of Sephora. It's a store that sells some of the more like higher end beauty and makeup items. And all these things have been on my watch list for quite some time. Well, this one just recently because it's quite new, and it's the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin. I did have on the watch list the Hollywood Flawless Filter and also the Full Coverage Foundation, but heard amazing reviews about this particular product. And Charlotte Tilbury has only been available for sale in Australia in stores for probably a couple of months now. So I've never purchased it because I prefer to buy makeup when I can go in and see it and test the colors. I don't really like buying it online unless I've bought it before. So I picked up the Beautiful Skin. I'm wearing it today. I really love it. Now this is the first time I've worn it like a full face, and I know it's technically too early to say that I love it, but I love it. It's really, really beautiful. It's a great product. It goes on really well, blends out, it's buildable. It's not cakey or thick. It doesn't make your face feel like stiff or set down like some makeups can. It looks very natural, comes in a ton of shades. So if you're a makeup lover, I definitely recommend checking this one out. From Mecca, I also picked up one of their, it's like a chubby stick blush. I have this in the medium contour color and I use it every single day. It's so simple, quick and easy to use. So I just blend it out. So I thought I'm just going to pick up a blush. It's a very subtle color. Honestly, I wish it was a little bit more pigmented, but it is perfect for days when you just want to put like a bit of something on, more of like a no makeup look. So I am wearing it today. Now I know the camera can make makeup look a little bit washed out, but it is just like a nice subtle flush of color, and I also use it on my eyelids instead of eyeshadow. So definitely recommend this. And I also recommend the Chubby Stick. I know it's not called Chubby Stick, but it's the stick concealer. I use the medium. Next thing I picked up is something that I've seen all over Instagram, and it is the Naked Sundays Hydrating Glow Mist, but it's got SPF 50 plus, so you can use this as a face mist. I use it before I put my makeup on, and then I use it as like a kind of a setting spray, but a glow setting spray. And it does have sunscreen in it, so don't talk while you put it on, and wait until it's all settled before you open your eyes, otherwise it will sting a bit because it's got sunscreen in it. It does have SPF 50. Hydrating Glow Mist, SPF 50 plus, hyaluronic acid, kakadu plum, and watermelon extract. So you can sort of smell a really faint watermelon scent. Really lovely product, and it gives like a nice glow to your makeup. So if you don't like a really full set down matte finish, definitely give this a go. Love it. So those things, along with the necklace that I picked myself up from Luisa on sale, are my wants. So as you saw in the start of the video, I'm getting something I want, something I need, and something to do. So those things were the things that I want. Something I need is what I'm sitting on right now. I don't know if you can see it, but I popped out to Ikea because I have been needing an actual like ergonomic office desk chair for the longest time. I have used my little Kmart pink moon chair for I think about 5 years now, and it was just time to get a real proper office chair. So I invested in that, and I'm like, oh well, you know what, an office chair, is that really a Galentine's present? Well, it is, because I'm investing in my health and well-being by having a proper office chair to sit for hours and hours on end editing my YouTube videos. So I think it's a great investment and something that I'm going to get lots of use out of, and that will hopefully improve my posture and make it not such a chore to sit at the desk and edit videos for hours and hours on end. As for the something to do portion of my Valentine's Day present to myself, I picked up 2 new books. These are books from authors that I've enjoyed other books of theirs so far this year. So this is Conversations with Friends by Sally Rooney. She wrote Ordinary People, which was the first book I read this year, and I really enjoyed it. So I thought I would give this other book a go. It's got a good plot, a nice storyline, so I'm looking forward to reading this. And this one, Taylor Jenkins reads One True Loves. So my favourite book so far that I've read this year is The 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo, which is by Taylor Jenkins Reid. So I thought if I enjoyed that book so much, I would give another of her books a go. It's got great reviews online, and I thought it would be a nice quick read for the rest of the month. I also picked up a couple of other things from Ikea, which I will take you through now, including these cute little bedside table lamps. So this is what the lamp looks like out of the box. I saw it online actually when I was looking for a few things to place a click and collect order, but then I didn't put it in the click and collect order, and then when I walked through the store I was like, I'm just gonna go and have a look in person, and it was really cute. So I thought I'm just gonna grab 2. They're $29 each. So as you can see, I'm missing one of my bedside table lamps. I've moved it out into the living room because it's quite dark out there when the sun isn't hitting correctly. So I thought I'd pick these up, and I'm not sure if I'm going to put these in my bedroom as bedside table lamps or if I'm going to take them out into the living room and put them, but I think they would look nice either way. So they look super cute, and of course I got the bulbs to fit as well. Now I did pick up a good few other things while I was at Ikea, but none of it is really particularly Valentine's or Galentine's Day related, so I'm going to pop that in another video, either in this week's weekly vlog, or I might do a little Ikea haul, shop with me, put it all together in the house video later on this week. So we've got just some pantry organization things. I'm going to do a little pantry makeover. The 2 lamps that I'm not sure if I'm going to do the bedside lamps or out in the living room. I've got a Reba frame. I already have one, and I just wanted to get another one to do a pair of prints. These are just some food storage containers. I love these. I've got some in this size, and I've really loved using them. They are oven proof, and I love that they come in different size containers, but they just use the one size lid for that, and then you can get it in a bigger one as well. Oven proof, so you can bake in them and then put them straight in the fridge for leftovers, which is great. The light bulbs for the lamps, super exciting stuff. But then this, now if you're a fan of cleaning videos, watch out for this one. This is a Ikea cleaning tool set. I had a look at it, it was out. Some of the things I thought were really good, some of the things, I don't know. That little scrubbing brush, it's kind of got like really stiff bristles, and when I use cleaning brushes, I prefer softer bristles so that they bend and flexible and get into all the nooks and crannies. But it had a lot of tools, and I particularly picked it up because my Daiso mini Swiffer mop thing, the mechanism that holds the telescopic part of the handle, it's starting to wear out, so I picked up this one primarily for that, and to have like that little Swiffer attachment. So it's got little holes where you can pop in like microfiber rags or wet floor wipes. So definitely looking forward to unboxing that and giving that a crack. Now for the fun part of the giveaway. So I ordered one of these necklaces for me, and one, because they were buy one get one 40% off, as a giveaway. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is finish this poem. Roses are red, violets are blue. To enter this competition, the rest is up to you. So just finish off that famous Valentine's Day poem in the description box below. It can be funny, it can be serious, it can be whatever you like, but just enter the competition by finishing off that roses are red, violets are blue. Leave your competition entry in the comments below. Now, Ana Luisa is super speedy for delivery. They have got 3-day super fast international delivery, and I'm in Australia, which is pretty much the furthest you can get away from pretty much everywhere in the world. So 3-day shipping is super speedy. They're a great company, they've got great values. I love the fact that they're carbon neutral. They've got such beautiful minimal packaging. Everything comes beautifully packaged, very minimally to keep that carbon neutral footprint. And then the earrings just come on this little cardboard insert inside of these reusable fabric pouches. And I just love the designs. They're all so beautiful. They're minimal, they're classic, they're classy. They are just such great quality. They don't irritate my ears. I've got super sensitive ears, and if I buy cheap earrings, my ears get so red and itchy. These are beautiful quality, and they're so comfortable. You can literally sleep on them. They're not digging into your ears. They are just absolutely amazing. So if you've got anyone with a birthday or a gift that you need to buy, take advantage of the buy one get one 40% off. Pick up one for you, one for a gift for someone else, or 2 for yourself. So guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me and seeing what I picked up for Galentine's Day for myself, plus a little unexpected but totally expected. Well, what else can you expect when you go to Ikea but to come away with like a ton of stuff? A little unexpected, expected Ikea haul. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave some suggestions for what you'd like to see in future videos in the comments below. Have a fabulous day, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.